Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have received a question. Could you grant me some dua or wazeefa that can help me see the RasulAllahﷺ in my dreams? It is the desire of every Muslim to do that, to be able to see RasulAllahﷺ. Well, there are many people who have made up things, and perhaps they work as well, probably work. You can recite those du'as or those things and you can become one of those who saw the Prophet in their dream, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, I can give you something which I think is better. What I would like, if you were able to make the study of the seerah, and preferably under a good seerah teacher, if you are able to study the seerah with the intention of learning about the Prophet ﷺ, with the intention of following the Rasulullah ﷺ, you will be able to visualize him, his personality and his entire life before you. I think such a gift would be far more valuable than just looking at his image, perhaps in a dream. And that is the best way to be close to him. Study the seerah, make it your routine to study it and act upon it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the ittiba, with the obedience of the Prophet in this life, and with his proximity and his company on the day of Qiyamah.